श्रीमद् भगवद गीता द्वादश अध्याय चैप्टर 12 भक्ति योगा द वर्शिप ऑफ द पर्सनल गॉड। अर्जुन उवाच अर्जुन सेड एवं सततयुक्ताये भक्तास्त्वं पर्युपासते ये चाप्यक्षरमव्यक्तं तेषां के योगवित्तमाः। Those devotees who, being thus ever dedicated, constantly meditate on you, and those again who meditate on the imperishable, the unmanifested, of them who are the best knowers of yoga. Sri Bhagavan Uvacha, the blessed Lord said, Maya Vishya Mano Yemam Nityayukta Upasate Shraddhaya Parayopetas Te Me Yuktatamamataha. Those who, remaining steadfast and imbued with supreme faith, meditate on me by fixing their minds on me, they are considered to be the most perfect yogis according to me. Ye tvaksharam anirdeshyam avyaktam pariupasate sarvatra gamachintyancha kutasthav dhruvam sanyam mendriya gramam sarvatra samabuddhayaha te prapnuvanti mamiva sarvabhuta hite rataha. Those, however, who meditate on the imperishable, the indefinable, the unmanifested, which is all-pervading, incomprehensible, seated in Maya, unmoving and constant, by fully controlling all the organs and being even-minded everywhere, they, engaged in the welfare of all beings, attain me alone. क्लेशोऽधिकतरस्तेषाम् अव्यक्तासक्तचेतसाम् अव्यक्ता हि गतिर्दुःखः देहवद्भिरवाप्यते. In the case of those who have their minds attached to the unmanifested, the struggle is greater, for the goal that is the unmanifested is attained with difficulty by the embodied ones. Ye tu sarvani karmani mai sannyasya matparaha anannenaiva yogena mam dhayanta upasate teshamaham samudhatta mrityu sansara sagarat bhavavina chirat partha maya veshita chetasam. But those who having dedicated all actions to me and being extremely devoted to me, meditate while thinking of me with single-minded concentration alone, O son of Pritha, for them who have their minds absorbed in me, I become, without delay, the agent of holding them up in Brahma, above the sea of the world, which is fraught with death. Mayeva manadhatsva, mayi buddhim niveshaya, nivasishyasi mayeva, ato udhvam na samshayaha. Fix the mind on me alone. In me alone rests the intellect. There is no doubt that hereafter you will dwell in me alone. Atha chittam samadhatum na shaknoshi vai sthiram avyasa yogena tato mamichhaptum dhananjaya. If, however, you are unable to fix the mind unmovingly in me, then, O Dhananjaya, seek to attain me with the yoga of practice. Abhyasepi asamarthosi mat karma paramo bhava madartham api karmani kurvan siddhim avapsasi. If you are unable even to practice, be absorbed in actions for me. Even by undertaking actions for me, you will attain perfection. Athaitadap ashaktosi kartum mad yogam ashritah sarva karma phalatyagam tatah kuru yatatmavan. If you are unable to do even this, then having resorted to the yoga for me and becoming controlled and discriminative, undertake renunciation of the results of all actions. Shreyo hi jnanam abhyasaj jnanadhyanam vishishyate dhyanat karma phalatyaga tyagat shantiranantaram. Knowledge is surely superior to practice. Meditation surpasses knowledge. As compared with meditation, renunciation of the results of actions excels. From renunciation, peace follows immediately. Adveshta sarva bhutanam maitrah karuna evacha nirmamo nirahankarah समदुःख सुखः क्षमी संतुष्टः सततं योगी यतात्मा दृढ़निश्चयः मयि अर्पितमनो बुद्धिर्यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः. He who is not hateful towards any creature, who is friendly and compassionate, who has no idea of mine and the idea of egoism, who is the same towards sorrow and happiness, who is forgiving, who is ever content, who is a yogi, who has self-control, who has firm conviction, who has dedicated his mind and intellect to me. He who is such a devotee is dear to me. संतुष्टः सततं योगी यतात्मा दृढ़निश्चयः मय्यार्पितमनो बुद्धिर् यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः. यस्मान्नो दिजते लोको लोकान्नो दिजते च यः हर्षामर्षभयोद्वेगैर्मुक्तो यः स च मे प्रियः. He too, owing to whom any other person is not disturbed, and who is not disturbed by any person, who is free from joy, jealousy, fear and anxiety, he is dear to me. अनपेक्षः शुचिर्दक्ष उदासीनो गतव्यथः सर्वारंभ परित्यागी यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः. A devotee of mine who has no desires, who is pure, dexterous, impartial and free from pain, who has renounced every undertaking, he is dear to me. यो न हृष्यति न द्वेष्टि न शोचति न कांक्षति शुभाशुभ परित्यागी भक्तिमान यह स मे प्रियः. He who does not rejoice, does not fret, does not lament, does not hanker, gives up good and bad, is filled with devotion, he is dear to me. समः शत्रौ च मित्रे च तथा मानापमानयोः शीतोष्ण सुख दुःखेषु समः संग विवर्जिताः. He who is the same towards friend and foe, and so also in honor and dishonor, the same under cold, heat, happiness and sorrow, free from attachment to everything. तुल्य निंदा स्तुतिर मौनी संतुष्टो येन केनचित् अनिकेतः स्थिरमतिर् भक्तिमान मे प्रियो नराः. To whom denunciation and praise are the same, who is controlled in speech, content with anything, homeless, steady-minded, and a devotee, is a person dear to me. ये तु धर्म्यामृतमिदं यथोक्तं पर्युपासते श्रद्धाना मत्परमा भक्तास्ते तीव मे प्रियाः. But devotees who accept me as the supreme goal, who becoming filled with faith practice with full diligence this ambrosial virtue as stated before, they are very dear to me. इति श्रीमद् भगवद गीता उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्म विद्यायां योग शास्त्रे श्री कृष्णार्जुन संवादे भक्ति योग नाम द्वादशोऽध्यायः.